Hello and welcome back to the 7th House Art Studio. Today we are doing a Temu haul. Part of this is going to be a sponsored video items, and part of it's going to be stuff I spent my own money on. And there's going to be, I'll put it in the description, a 30% discount code. So you click on that and you'll get 30% off your order. And that will be for new users. So make sure you download the app onto your phone. So new users to Temu will get 30% off with the discount code that I'm going to put in the description. And let's see, I want to make sure I cover everything. You can pay with, of course, your debit card and AfterPay and any kind of other, there's several ways to pay. And I will put the links to the items that I have here. Okay, so let's get to it. Tell you what, I love Temu. I am in love with them. They have fast shipping, and if you don't get your products in the time frame that they say, they give you credits. I got, like, this was not this order, but there was another order that was a little bit late, and I got a $5 credit. So first of all, let's get to what Temu sent me. Temu, I can never pronounce it right. I got this for my daughter. This is something a lot of teenage girls would really like. It is a caddy for cosmetics, and let's see, I don't have any cosmetics here, but I'm going to put some art supplies in there. It's a caddy. You can put all kinds of stuff in here. You could even use it for anything that you wanted. Let's see. And it is pretty durable. It has two little drawers. It's plastic, but it is thick and sturdy. Here's the back of it. Okay. Here's the bottom. So it looks like it's gonna hold a lot of stuff. That's really nice. Let's see. It is the Cosmetic Display Box Large Capacity Drawer Design Section Cosmetic Storage Box. Adjustable jewelry drawers. They're adjustable? Okay, somehow they're adjustable. And you can use it for cosmetics, perfumes. This little dandy was $7.69. That is such a good deal. And they had other colors, but I got the white. It's going to hold a lot of stuff. Oh, don't fall over. Those drawers, look how long those drawers are. There's my hand. And organized, get it all off of her shelf and her desk. She could put it all together. That is really nice. Shoot, I should get one for myself. Okay, so let's take all the things out of that. Let's see, let's measure it real quick. So it's it's like 10.5 inches wide. A little over 6 inches deep. And tall, 4.5 inches tall. I'm not sure what that little hole is there for. But that is quite a dandy little caddy and organizer. So that's the first thing that Temu sent me. Next thing, where'd they go? Okay, and then this is a bracelet. Let's see, let's make sure I have the right price here. I looked it up online today and it was 88 cents today. So let's see what it was. And that might have been a flash deal. They have flash deals like crazy, which are extremely great prices. Sometimes they're up to 90% off. Now, okay, it's still 88 cents. It is a crystal bracelet, and this item is described as natural stone bracelet, crystal healing chip chain bracelet, gemstone polished regular crystals, 89 cents. And it's adjustable. It's not that elastic, stretchy. That is a good clasp, and it's on there really good. Let's see, get it up close. And they had all kinds of different ones. They probably had like 10 different varieties that you could choose from on this. It's really good quality. Let me try to put it on. Okay. Look at that. It's so pretty. And we could put it in, and the stones, they don't feel like plastic. I mean, they actually feel like they are the real deal. Those are real chips of crystals. Beautiful. So those are the items that Temu sent me. And these are the items that I got with my own money. So let's see, item number 1. This is a sturdy little box. So don't forget to look into the description, into my description, because you'll get that 30% discount code. Oh, look at this. It's a dragonfly necklace. And it has a little note in here. Dragonflies are the keepers of dreams, the energy within that sees our true potential. They inspire spirituality and creativity. Dragonflies help us on our path of discovery and remind us that anything is possible. Okay, so you get that little keepsake note. Check this out. That is so pretty. If you can see that it's mostly silver, and in the middle has like a rose gold look. And this was, I didn't say how much, it was $4.49. It's not, I'm tugging on it. It is not breaking. It's not coming apart. Okay. Nice sturdy little clasp. You can adjust it a little bit. That's the front. There's the back. And this does not feel cheap. That is really nice. I can't wait to wear that. And it's so shiny. Okay. And this I got. Oh, this was $1.88. Okay, so look at that, so neat. It reminds me of my sister. She loved roses and skulls together. So, nice zipper. It's not a cheap zipper. It's not catching. Play music with it. It's deep. It's lined. And it's not a cheap lining. It's padded. You could put a lot in there. You could use it for cosmetics, pencil box, pencil case, or whatever. I just love that design. Let's measure it. So, well, I don't do metric. So it is about 8.5 inches wide and about 5 inches deep. I just thought that was so great. For $1.88, come on. God, you gotta love it. Okay, and this was $8.48. Haven't opened this yet. I've been dying to. Trying to make sure I don't cut anything. Okay. They never send packing slips, but that's okay because you got everything in your emails. And they are very good at sending you notifications of when things are going to arrive, if they're going to be held up, where they are. This is a dream catcher. $8.48, I think I said. And you notice there's not a lot of packaging here to hurt the environment. Some things they do, but most everything is not. Okay, this is so cool. Alright, so, well, looks like I have to put that back on. Something came off. Okay. But it's lit, it lights up. Oh, look at that. Okay, where did this come off from? That is the first time I've had something come off. I don't know where it goes. Oh, that's too bad. Looks like one of the beads. Okay, so one of the beads broke, which is no big deal. I might be able to glue that back together. Let's see. I need to find out where this thing came from. I'll be honest, that feels a little chintzy, but it's okay. It's not like you're going to be wearing it as jewelry. I don't know where that came from. So anyway, you see about the size of it. These wires kind of poke up. Maybe it's on that. Maybe it goes on the end of that. I bet it does. Okay, but this is going to look so good at night. It does light up. I love the colors. Okay, why is it flickering? Is it supposed to flicker? I don't know. But it has these little beads in here. And the netting. The netting is tight. It's going to need some, like, work with it to calm it down a little bit. With these wires. I just love these colors. And that lights up. That is so cool. Okay. So, there is my unboxing of my Temu products, my dream catcher that I need to do some work on, my cosmetic bag, make sure I keep that, the dragonfly necklace, and in the description box we'll have the link for the jewelry caddy, and what else? This bracelet. These bracelets. So thank you for joining me. And stay tuned for more. Thank you and come back.